I'll be unboxing aespa's Girls album, the deluxe versions. It will have the notepad version and the one with the photo stand. I don't know if they're, oh yeah, it is labeled over here, so I'll try to do two of the same. Yeah, these are the same. So I'll go ahead and open similar items together first. I actually placed an order for one album earlier and I still haven't received it, so I had to email them to ask them if I'm ever gonna get it, because I actually placed it after my initial order, so I'm having a lot of mix-up with all these orders I'm placing online. But you know, at least these came in for this video, so we could go through it and see what we get. I wasn't planning on getting the deluxe versions initially because I already have so many of the, you know, the standard versions, which include like photo books and stuff. But I kind of changed my mind last minute since I started collecting Karina photo cards and Winter if I do pull her. But I'm also not like seriously collecting Karina, which means like if I don't get her for this deluxe version, I don't think I'm gonna hunt for it because they're like crazy expensive online. But yeah, let's see what's in here. The CD. I have never seen an unboxing besides the official one with the members, you know, opening up the box, but it didn't really show an overhead view of it. So this is actually my first time really seeing it for myself. I wonder if it'll spoil the photo card right away. I definitely know there's a photo card and postcard and poster in here. Oh, wait, I saw someone. I'm gonna try to like flip it over so I get surprised. Okay, so this is the photo stand, which I honestly do not use, but I think this is kind of a thing for K-pop fans where they put their favorite photo card in some kind of frame. Do you want to play with us? Karina. Wait, does this coincide with the photo card? Did I just spoil it? Well, if I did, I'll show it later. I'll show the Karina part later. Okay, so this is just a bunch of like flimsy paper. Okay, poster. Pretty sure this was the Target version too, but this is I think the dimensions are bigger. I don't have the Target ones like right by me to compare. Or what do you call it? The digipack. But yeah, there's a poster, a Karina postcard. Cool. So let's see let's solve the mystery. Like, does a postcard and the photo card match and the photo frame? If it says Karina here and Karina showed up here, will it be the photo card as well? No. Oh my god. Okay, we solved that mystery, so ding ding. So this is a complete mystery whether, you know, you get the same member in a row or if they actually mix it up inside. Oh crap. Okay, this one is Ning Ning. I'm guessing the poster's the same. Let's open the frame first. Oops. It says Karina again for the photo frame. And Photocard reveal. Winter! This is a really nice photocard. I feel like all of Winter's photocards always look amazing. Like she knows her angles, her good angles. Oops. I find this thing is kind of weird how it says their name, but they expect you to put this in here and it says a different member's name. I think that part's a little strange. And the last two, I believe these are the notepad. Doing it this way for suspense. Poster, the same every time. And whoa. Oh shit. Okay, I did not see who it was. So this is the notepad. It's actually larger and thicker than I thought it'd be. I'm talking about this notepad. It'd be good for writing notes and stuff. Our postcard. Ning ning again. Okay. And Karina. I believe they have like 2 versions of each member's photocard. Last but not least, I'm glad like at least 3 of them, it's different members, but it would have been cool to get like Winter Giselle's. But let's see if Giselle makes a reappearance. 25% chance. Yeah, we're doing this backwards. So this is the memo pad as well. Set the poster aside. We know how that looks. I want to take another look at my second notepad. I really wanted the bandana or the pin. Like I was like on the fence about it, but when I finally decided I wanted to purchase at least one deluxe box, I went on a walk and told myself, oh, when I go back home, I'm gonna buy one. And then I go back home and I saw like 2 of the versions I wanted to get were sold out already. And I think it had to do with the YouTube video of the aespa members unboxing these deluxe albums, which is really smart to help with sales, right? Cool. Okay, yes, we got my top 2 bias postcards at least. And let's see who this is. I think that's a defect. Ah, she makes a reappearance. We got all 4 members, that's good. All 4 members, missing 1 postcard, but yay. It's good, good, good. We got everybody. Let me make this nicer. I honestly can't remember how the other poses look like. The second pose of each member. I just remembered this one because her selfie photo cards are always on point. Like Winter is very pretty and knows her good angles. I'll just say she's photogenic as heck. But yeah, cool. We got my bias too, top 2 bias and every member. It's a good balance. Yay.